Hey art friends, today we're doing something a little different. What are we doing?
We're gonna play a drawing game.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's a crazy shape drawing game. And this is a fun game to play with your friends or your family. So we hope you're gonna follow along with us. You need two people, at least two people, to play this game.
Yeah.
All right, we have our drawing supplies. We also have some paper. And what else do they need?
Crayons.
Yeah, or something to color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
Now, the first step to this game is to draw a crazy shape. So you're going to draw your own crazy shape on your paper, and I'm going to draw my own crazy shape on my paper. And they can be different. They don't have to be the same. In fact, we want them to be different.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go ahead and make your crazy shape. I'll watch you so I make sure I do a different crazy shape. Wow, that's awesome. I love it. Okay, now I'm going to draw a crazy shape too. And I'm going to draw like that. That's my crazy shape. Okay, let's put the cap on our markers and let's switch paper. So this one's your crazy shape, and now this one's my crazy shape. Next, we're gonna switch to our crayons, and this part we're going to fast forward, but we're just gonna use our imagination. We're gonna look at our shape and try to imagine what this shape is. And then we're gonna turn it into it. So maybe you see something in your shape, and you're gonna add the extra details and the color to your drawing to turn it into what you have in your brain.
Yeah.
Does that sound fun?
Yes.
Okay, let's fast forward. And our art friends at home, they can take time or pause the video, switch with their family or their friends, and also complete this next step.
Yeah.
You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it. We finished our crazy shape game. Well, the first round. And I love what yours turned into. I think I know what it is. What is it?
Gingerbread man.
A gingerbread man. What's this down here?
A crossroad, because he's running.
Oh, he's running away. Is somebody trying to eat him?
Yeah.
I really like the buttons too. And I especially love the big eyes that you added. I had to add them to my drawing. Do you know what mine is?
A worm.
A worm in the garden. And I also turned my paper upside down, which I think that's kind of fun too. You can turn your paper different ways until maybe you see something different.
Yeah.
And I love our little drawings. They're so perfect. And that was fun using our imagination.
Yeah.
Should we do one more round?
Yes.
Okay, let's clear this off, get new paper, and we'll do another crazy shape.
Okay.
Okay, you draw your crazy shape first.
You go first.
You want me to go first? Okay, I will draw a... Ooh, I'm gonna draw, I'm gonna draw like this. I'm gonna draw some straight lines this time, and then maybe some zigzags, and then this, and then this, and maybe some more zigzags, like that. That's my crazy shape.
I haven't designed it yet.
Are
I'm
you still thinking? You got it? You got an idea? Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, lots of zigzags. Oh, that is awesome. I love that shape a lot. And I'm really excited because now we get a switch.
Yeah.
And this one's going to be mine, and you've got this crazy one too. And we're going to do the same thing. Let's look at our shape. And we can also twist the paper or turn it different directions if you think you might see something. Look, if you turn it this way and look at it, you might see something different. But let's turn on our imagination. But let's fast forward again, and let's see what we come up with.
I already know what it is.
Do you? Okay. Oh, I can't wait to see it. Olivia, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring our crazy shapes. And I especially love yours. What is it? I know what it is, though.
Unicorn.
It's a unicorn with a rainbow. And what's down here?
Hey.
Hey. And what are these little spots?
It's a spot unicorn.
Oh, I love spot unicorns. It's super cute. And I especially love that spot right there, the pink one. Is that for the cute little pink cheeks?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. And do you know what mine is?
An alien.
An alien, a monster.
Eating a cheeseburger.
Yeah, this monster loves cheeseburgers, and I love the eyelashes too. When you did the little zigzags, what did you have in mind though? What did you think I was gonna draw?
Porcupine.
A porcupine. And I thought you were gonna change yours into a dinosaur or a dragon, but I was really surprised that you turned it into a unicorn. And I think that's what's so cool about this challenge or this game.
Yeah.
That you can just use your own imagination and change what you see in the shape, the crazy shape. We did this for 2 rounds, but how many rounds do you think you could do?
300.
Yeah, 300 or infinity.
Yeah.
You could make as many crazy shapes as your brain can come up with. That's what's so fun about this game, especially when you're bored. If you have paper with you and you have something to draw with, you can play this game anywhere. You can play it in the car, at a restaurant, or even just at home.
Yeah. We'd have fun playing this game with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you teach this game to all of your family members and even your friends, because this game is really fun to play with lots of different people, because each time you play it, it's going to be a lot different.
Yeah.
Because you'll have a different shape, and it will make your brain think of something different.
Yes.
And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.